Hi guys, it's Ian from Global Air Supplies. I want to introduce you to one of our new products. Well, I say it's a new product, it's an old product. I was selling this probably 15 years ago and I absolutely loved it. We've been asked, since we bought out HORTICULTURE, we've been asked for this product many times. So we've done a little bit of tweaking, made it a bit easier for you guys to use, and we've brought it into G.A.S. So it's a T.O.P Spin Dripper assembly. You all know the bottom bit, which is the stand. This is what we've always called the top hat. And how it works, you feed the pipe through the holes. It runs through the fitting at the bottom, up this rigid riser, through the T.O.P Spin Dripper head, through the pipework, and through the dripper stakes into your plants. Each dripper stake will deliver 2 litres per hour. In my opinion, it's a great DIY dripper assembly. For professionals or beginners, it's an absolutely perfect kit. So I'll show you how it works. So what you do, you've got your rigid riser, you've got your fittings. It comes in either 16mm or 25mm in the same kit, so depending what size pipe you're running. You connect this rigid riser through the top head stand, put the washers on, get the DIG T.O.P Spin Dripper head, screw that on with a washer in there as well, get the pipework and the dripper and just literally force it in there, and that will deliver 2 litres per hour per dripper. How the DIG dripper works, or a T.O.P Spin Dripper, you've got a pre-filter there, and inside here you have 12 dripper filters which are pressure compensated, which allow 2 litres per hour through each one. If you don't want to use one of the heads, in the kit comes the little tabs. Just literally push it over the edge, put the pre-filter back in, screw it back together, and that hole will not deliver any nutrients to your plant. So if you only want to run 6 drippers on it, cover the 6 up, use the 6 drippers. Each dripper will still only deliver 2 litres per hour. So that's a great fact about this product. No matter what you do with it, it will only deliver 2 litres per hour. You've got the other kits where you have no rigid riser and no stand, and obviously you get these fittings what screw directly into the T.O.P Spin Dripper head. Get the fittings, put it all together, and you've got a little DIY dripper assembly. If you want any more information on the T.O.P Spin Dripper head or the full assembly, jump on the G.A.S website, all the information's there. Cheers guys.